Sino po ang makakakalimot? Ulo. Pero aapat, kaya nga aapat lang sila eh. Yung iba hindi pumunta. Yung pong nagsawa na. Sino ang makakalimot kay Mr. Vicente? Kay Miss Valdez? Kay Miss Valdez?
Iba na itsura kasi.
Kay Miss Bilonio?
Hindi ko makita mo na po. Good evening to everybody. Ako si Mr. Vicente. Ay teacher ng history, social studies teacher, no? Ngayon ay matanda na. Pero pwede pa. Still available. Ako ay 83 years old na, mag-83 years old na. Pero alam niyo, I have 3 citizenship. First, senior citizen. Second, Filipino citizen. Third, US citizen. You know, I am a member of the guerrilla forces during the Second World War. As a old man already, I stayed at home. I go to church. I'm a member of the different organization of the church, like the Knight of Columbus. At present, I am the may hinanda ko rin ng counting speech para sa inyo, so that mga counting message lang, sapagkat tayo ay matagal na hindi nakita-kita, siguro around more than 30 years na hindi tayo nakita. May I read this message that I prepared. Warm greetings to all of you. We have long been separated by time and space. I say space sapagkat some of you went abroad, so I said space. Some of you came from England, some of you from the United States and other countries of the world. For some times now, we did our own way, but now we are here together, banded together in this common ground of Fernando Amorsolo Elementary School, the Manuel de la Fuente High School, which is your home for 4 years, and also my second home for more than 12 years. This grand alumni reunion of the batch 1968-1977, this is one of the remarkable moments that we can always share. We, your teachers, have touched your life, your young life, in some way. We have touched your life too, young as you are then. Many things happened along the way. You were then entering the adolescence year, but now you are parents with children, adolescent children. You have your own family. Some may have failed to marry. Some have